Okay class, today we are going to write 11 pages of essay about your favorite minions. Kenneth, was that you just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Kenneth, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Kenneth, how dare you burped in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting. You are hereby suspended for 23 days. Go home now. Scram.
Kenneth, how dare you burp in class, in front of the principal? Kenneth, how dare you burp at us now? That's it.
You are grounded for 27 weeks. And this means no minions for you.
But Andrew, Daniel, and Lauren, I love the movie Minions as much as I like the film. Too bad, you're in deep trouble. You are grounded and that's final.
Now go upstairs to your room now.